Want people to share your Facebook post but can't figure out how? In 1 minute I'll show the exact settings step by step. Open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com and sign into your account. Find the post you want others to share. It can be new or already posted. Tap the 3 dots in the top right of the post to open post options. Choose Edit Audience or Edit Privacy depending on your interface. Set audience to public so anyone can share the post, then save. If your post is a profile photo or updated bio, also check your profile settings so shares are allowed. For Facebook pages, go to Page Settings, then Privacy or General to enable public sharing. If you want more control, pick Friends or create a custom list instead of public. Always preview the post after changing settings to confirm the share icon appears. Keep in mind public posts can be reshared widely, so avoid posting sensitive personal information. Now try it yourself, update your post's audience and share this tutorial if it helped.